Hello, beautiful people. I'm here at the Etobicoke Drive Test Center, and I will be showing you route number 1 for the G2 test. When you come here, please make sure that you're parking your car in one of the designated parking spaces. Each parking space here has a number. Please make sure that you're parking your car here. It is recommended that you park your car in reverse. It will be easier for you to come out. So once you park your car, you will have to go inside the drive test center. There are designated kiosks for the scheduled road test appointments. You will have to enter your driver's license number, and it has to be exactly half an hour before. If it's a bit later, that's fine, but for as long as it doesn't pass your test exact appointment time. You will have to enter your driver's license number and your appointment will pop up. You click on it, it will take you to the next screen. The kiosk will ask you a couple of questions. Question number 1 is about if you are wearing any eyeglasses. So if you are, please make sure you have them on you. And the second question is about your physical fitness, if you're okay, if you don't have any medical condition. So obviously you're here for the road test, so you can put no for that. Once you do that, the next screen will pop up and it will ask for your vehicle information. You will have to enter the make of your vehicle, if it's Toyota, Honda, whatever it is, and then the color of your vehicle, your license plate number, and the parking space where you have parked your car at. Once you do that, then the kiosk will give you a ticket. You grab the ticket, you come to your car, sit in your car, and wait for the examiner. While you're waiting for the examiner, please make sure that your seat is adjusted, your mirrors are adjusted, make sure you have your seat belt on, and wait for the examiner. The examiner will come to your car and make sure that you start your car. Practice starting on and off your car before the test, so that way some students, they do get panic and they forget how to turn on the car. Make sure that you know how to start the car. And then the examiner will come from the left side. Make sure you're rolling down your window. The examiner will introduce himself or herself to you, will ask for your driver's license. So you present your driver's license to the examiner. The examiner will ask for your full name, your date of birth, and then the examiner will ask you to honk the horn. So you do that a couple of times, and the examiner will go to the front of the car and will ask for the right signal, and then left signal. And then the examiner will go to the back of your car and will ask for the right signal, left signal, and then will ask you to step on the brake a couple of times, on and off, and then that's it. And then the examiner will come sit beside you and will read some stuff from their iPad. You will have to sign it, and then the examiner will give you directions. So make sure that you put your car in drive, have your signal on, do a good 360 degrees check, look all around, make sure everything is clear, no pedestrian, no cars coming out. And then slowly, when you're coming out, look left, right, slowly come out, watch for any pedestrian, halfway out, and then turn left here. So in here, depending on what side you have parked your car at, and then they will ask you to go right. So mirror, signal, blind spot. And please make sure you watch for any cars coming. No cars, then you turn right here. There's a one-way stop sign, so please make sure you're coming to a complete stop. Have your mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. Check both sides, no cars, and then you go halfway in. And then you're turning. You're turning left. So when you're turning left, please stay on the right side. Keep on looking left, right, make sure, and then they will ask you to turn right. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. And then when you're stopping behind another car, please make sure you have enough space where you can see the tires and a little bit of the ground of the car in front of you. It's a one-way stop sign. Please, guys, do not rush. Don't panic. Just take your time nice and smoothly. You move forward. I would stop behind the pedestrian walkway. Just look left, right, no pedestrian, then creep up and look left for any oncoming traffic from the left side. No cars, and then you turn right into the first lane. So you pick up your speed. The speed limit here is 60 kilometers per hour, and you continue driving on this road. Unless you're asked for a lane change, then you can change your lane, but continue on this road until you're asked to change your lane. So again, speed limit is 60. Check left, right, any intersection that's coming your way. Please make sure that you're looking left and right. So that way you're doing a good traffic check. So like that, and continue 60 speed limit. And you might be asked to change lane here because you will be asked to turn left at the next traffic light. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. When it's safe, you change your lane to left, nice and smoothly. Do not rush. And once your 4 tires are inside the lane, you turn off your signal. So in here, we will be turning left. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, where the broken line starts, get into the lane just like this. And keep going. We will be making a left turn. So guys, it's a green light. I'm gonna go halfway in. As you guys can see, there's a lot of oncoming traffic, so I'm gonna wait in the middle here. And please make sure that while you're waiting here, your focus is all on the oncoming traffic light, and also the pedestrian on the left side. Keep on looking. Once there is a gap, or when there's the chance, that's when you're gonna be turning left. So okay, so this car, after this, I'm gonna go no pedestrian, and I'm gonna turn left here. So stay on the first lane, come to the first lane, and then the right lane closes anyway, so you can continue on this one. And keep going on this road. The speed limit here is 50 kilometers per hour. There's an always stop sign. Come to a complete stop here. So once you stop here, check your rear view mirror, left, center, right, left again, and then you go. Again, the speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour here, and continue going this way. Just keep on checking left, right. Make sure you will be asked to turn left at this traffic light. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, where the broken line starts, get in and continue here. So it's a red light. I will be coming to a complete stop here, waiting for the green. And just come to a complete stop. So while you're waiting for the red light, please guys, make sure that you're checking all around, and you're not just sitting doing nothing. So check your rear view mirrors, side mirrors, here and there. And if you think this video is helpful and you have learned something from it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and share it with your friends and families that will have a road test here at the Etobicoke Drive Test Center. And please share your experiences in the comment section, so that way people can take advantage. It's always good to help our communities, be supportive, be nice and kind to each other. So if you have the experience, please share it in the comment section. Whatever experiences you had during your road tests, or you will have in the future, so share it with the people that will be watching. So it's green. I'm gonna move to halfway in. No cars, no pedestrian on the left side, and I'm making a left turn right here. Great driving center here. Honestly, very quiet. So after 15-20 meters, you change your lane to right, mirror, signal, blind spot. You will have to move back to the right lane or driving lane. The speed limit here is 60 kilometers per hour. Please make sure that you are maintaining a good speed limit. So next traffic light, you will be asked to turn right. So please make sure you're turning right on Satellite Drive. Mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and it's a green light. Just check for pedestrian on the right side. If there's no pedestrian, drop your speed a little bit and then turn right. Make sure you're not turning right into the bike lane, so stay on your lane. There's a bike lane on the right side. Please make sure that you're avoiding that one. And continue on this road. The speed limit here is 50 kilometers per hour, so maintain the good speed limit. And you will be asked to turn left on the next street here. So when you're asked to turn left, so mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, where the broken line starts, get in here. There's no stop sign, but I will slow down here. No oncoming traffic, no pedestrian on the left, and then I'm gonna turn left here. When I turn left here, again, the speed limit here is 50. You might be asked to do a parallel park, uphill, downhill, all those things in here. So let's pull over for our roadside stop, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. And I am coming to a complete stop here. Come to a complete stop here. And I will do an emergency stop. So for emergency stop, come to a complete stop first, and then do turn on your hazard lights, and then park your car and pull your handbrake or parking brake. So this is what it is. Sometimes they might ask you to do a 3-point turn right from here. They might ask you to do a downhill or uphill parking. Most of the times they will ask you for an uphill parking, and then okay, so they might ask you for an uphill parking, and then they will ask you to do a 3-point turn. So guys, watch. As you guys can see the car in front of me, the guy was, I think he's on test and he was doing a 3-point turn, very dangerous. There was a pickup truck coming and he made the 3-point turn. So not a good idea. So let's not do something like that. Okay. So now I'm going to end the emergency stop. So you bring down your parking brake, you put the car in drive and turn off your hazard lights. So that's emergency stop. What if you're asked for uphill parking here in this location? So what you can do is I'm going to move a little bit forward and do an uphill parking for you guys. So when you're leaving, when you're pulling out, always check the rear view mirror first. If there's no cars, then signal and check blind spot and then come out. I'm going to pull over again for a 3-point turn, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. I'm going to come to a complete stop here. I will do an uphill parking first and then I will do a 3-point turn. So for uphill parking, you do about 3 houses or 5 seconds before you do mirror, signal, blind spot. You pull over to the curb, closer to the curb, 30 centimeters away from the curb. And then once you come to a complete stop, turn your wheels all the way to the left, park your car and pull your parking brake or handbrake. That's uphill parking. Now to end an uphill parking, then you have to bring down your parking brake, put the car in drive, and then check your mirror. Your wheels are already turned. Check your mirror, make sure no cars. Then you there's a car coming. Then so check again, no cars, signal, check your both sides, nobody there, and then I'm gonna move forward. So once you move forward, you come stop here and then put your car in reverse, signal to the right, check 360 degrees all around, reverse, and then you stop here and then you put your car back in drive, check both sides and go. And that's a 3-point turn for you guys. And continue back on this road. The speed limit again is 50 kilometers per hour. You will be asked to turn right here at the stop sign. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. And I'm going to come to a complete stop. It's a one-way stop sign. So I'll come to a complete stop here. Check your rear view mirror, left, center, right, left again. I'll creep up a little bit. No cars, no pedestrians. So again, do not turn into the bike lane, turn into your own lane and continue this way. So again, the speed limit here is 50 kilometers per hour. Maintain a good speed limit. Just do not, if the speed limit is not posted, by default, the speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour. In here, you will be asked to turn right again. So you will be turning right. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and I'll be turning right. Again, do not get into the bike lane. It's a red light. I'm going to come to a complete stop here. Complete stop, check for pedestrian, no pedestrian. And then I can creep up a little bit and see if there's any car. No cars. I'm going to check a blind spot and turn right here. And then continue on this road. The speed limit here is 60 kilometers per hour. So maintain a good speed limit of 60 kilometers per hour. Guys, just stay calm. The calmer you are, the better you're going to perform. And just don't panic. Just look left, right. Make sure everything is all good. You might be asked to go left here. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. I'm going to check there's a car. I'm going to change my lane to the left. Again, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. I'm going to turn left. On Spectrum, you will be asked to, on Spectrum Way, you will be asked to go left. So now, again, when you're stopping behind another car, make sure you're maintaining a good space. I know it was a quick 2-lane changes, but, you know, you will be given instructions in advance. We have an advanced green light. Check left, right, and then turn left here. Just like this, closer to the yellow lane. And continue on this road. Again, the speed limit here is 50 kilometers per hour as well, and maintain a good speed limit. And here you will be asked to continue on this road, maintain a good speed limit of 50 kilometers per hour, and just any driveways, any intersections that are coming your way, please make sure that you are looking left, right. Very nice and quiet area. So honestly, G2 here is a piece of cake. So like, I really like it. It's very, very nice area. Compared to all the other drive test centers, this is just a piece of cake. So do not stress yourself out. In here, you'll be asked to go straight on this road. So it's a green light. I don't know if I can catch it, but I'll see. So just look left, right, and continue. Yeah, nicely. And then you'll be asked to turn left at the first entrance on the left, mirror signal blind spot to the left, and I'm going to be turning left into the plaza. So right from here, I'm going to turn left and go into the plaza just like this. In here, I would keep the speed between 15 to 20, guys, because it's a plaza. It could be busy, a lot of pedestrian and stuff. Do not rush here. These are the last moments. Do not panic. So there's a pedestrian. I'll be careful and continue just like that. And then when you get to this point, again, pedestrian and other cars, very important. Look at the feet of the pedestrian. So like, as you guys can see, there are some pedestrians. So I will be very careful. I want to see like those two guys standing there. I want to see if they're going to walk or not. So, and you'll be asked to turn right here. So mirror signal blind spot to the right. And I'm going to turn right here, just like this. And then you will be asked to park in one of the parking spaces here. So mirror signal blind spot to the left. And I'm going to park my car in one of these spaces here. That's pretty much it, guys. That's the G2 route number 1 for the Etobicoke Drive Test Center. If you think this video was useful and you like it and you have learned something from it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video with your friends and family so that they can learn something from it. Also, we speak a lot of languages. We speak your language as well. So we can speak Pashto, Dari, Persian, Urdu, Hindi, whatever languages, a little bit of Tagalog as well. So we got male and female driving instructors here in Toronto. We'll be more than happy to help you pass these your road tests easily and with flying colors. Thank you for watching the video and follow me for more videos.